Hi friends, welcome back. In this video we'll see how to make an eggless ragi chocolate cake very quickly in about 5 minutes, and also a delicious chocolate frosting recipe. So for that, first we'll powder 5 tablespoons of sugar. Here I've taken unrefined sugar, and into the powdered sugar we'll add 8 tablespoons of ragi flour or finger millet flour, and then add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and we'll again run it in the mixer grinder and keep it aside. Now we'll line a 5-inch cake tin, and into another bowl we'll take 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Here I am using coconut oil. You can use melted butter, ghee, or even any refined oil also can be used. So here we'll take 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, and then into this we'll add 3 tablespoons of curd, and 4 tablespoons of milk, a pinch of salt to taste, and about half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix it well. Now into this we'll add the dry ingredients and just mix it into the wet ingredients. Mix it well so that there is no flour left in the batter. So this should be the consistency of the batter. Now we'll pour this into the prepared tin or the prepared dish, and we'll bake it in a microwave oven for just 3 minutes on high. So in 3 minutes this cake will be baked in the microwave oven. I've already uploaded a ragi cake using eggs, and also a 3 minutes normal chocolate cake also I've uploaded. If you're interested, you can please check it. Now the cake is beautifully baked, so we can make the cake so fast, and it's so easy to make. Please do try the recipe. I'm sure you will like it. Now I'm also making a frosting for this cake. Now let us make the frosting. For that, here I have taken 2 tablespoons of butter, or about 25 grams, and into this we'll add 1.5 tablespoon of cocoa powder, and we'll heat it in the microwave, or you can even it can be heated on a water bath just for 30 seconds, just to melt it. And into this we'll add a pinch of salt. Mix it well so that there are no lumps. A pinch of salt and a dash of vanilla. Mix it well, and we'll keep this in the refrigerator so that it just cools down. After the melted butter and cocoa cools down, into this we'll add powdered sugar or icing sugar. Here I have taken about 6 tablespoons of icing sugar, about 50 grams. Beat it well, and then into this we'll add 1 tablespoon of fresh cream. Add the remaining sugar. Beat it. And once the sugar is fully incorporated into the cocoa butter mixture, we'll add 1 more tablespoon of cocoa powder, cream, fresh cream, and then we'll again beat it very well till it is nice and fluffy. Now our delicious chocolate frosting is ready. Now we'll frost the cake. Actually, with this measure of frosting, we can even cut the cake horizontally and also put it as a filling. But today I'm just using it as a on the top. If you want to slice the cake and use the frosting for as a filling, first refrigerate the cake for some time and only then try to cut the cake and do the filling. Otherwise it might crumble. Now the delicious ragi chocolate cake, eggless ragi chocolate cake with chocolate frosting is ready. Do try the recipe and please let me know how it turns out. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you with a new video.